Wet the flies on my hat, I'm taking them out of flies.
Okay. Okay. Apparently, it is traditional. Well, I don't know. This is my first year.
First official responsibility thing is master, really.
Yeah. Oh, well, technically no. My first one I messed up.
What was that then?
Filling in a form.
Oh, yeah. They forgot to put the society name at the top.
That knew the old night.
It was basically just a list of the people's names. So right, yeah. Apparently, it is traditional that when building is to leave us to pursue whatever they pursue, they get a small. Aww. So we can open it and then we will.
I hope you value expensive wrapping.
Yes, very much so. It's not any written wrapping paper.
It's marketing expensive. That's very good.
It looks red.
At least you can see the spectrum all right.
Yay! Thank you.
She's got a name, but you have to read the card.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a card. Oh, thank you.
Yes, my heart searching on the internet came up with a very interesting name.
Oh, that's cute.
I had to go to an alternative supplier this year.
Oh, thank you.
Huh? They're all named after different methods all the dragons we've given out so far, even if we've had to research somewhat extensively to find a method to see what we're actually after.
So, does anyone know what moose is?
Rebecca found those.
I did find these. I didn't actually have a very good look at the message, but
We can print out the line for you if you
Yeah.
want.
That stuff. Okay.
I can do that because I need to go tomorrow and print